Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Happy Monday. I hope you are staying up to date with your assignments. And remember, if at any point you have a question about a certain question on one of these quizzes or assignments, or if you're just not sure on how something works, please feel free to email me and I will address that issue as the best that I can. I had somebody email me about one of these questions on the test on ALEKS, which was a dilation question, but it refers to scale models. And I know there wasn't one presented in the book like these ones, so it might have been a little bit tricky, and you had to refer back to what you might have learned in 7th grade to kind of help you out. And you can solve these questions with proportions pretty easily. Okay, so here we have this airplane, and it's a model of the airplane, and the scale is for every 1 inch on the model, it represents 8 feet in real life. So in the scale drawing for part A, the length of the airplane is 6 inches. Okay, so the model is 6 inches, and we want to know what is the length of the real plane. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the scale factor right here, and we're going to put it into a proportion. Okay, so we're going to set it up as 1 inch is proportional to 8 feet. Alright, and this should start to look a little bit familiar, and we want to make sure our units are labeled here so we can keep track of everything. So we want to know if it was 6 inches, so we need to stay proportional. So we're going to line up our units so the inches are on top. That means feet have to be in the bottom. So we don't know this one. We don't know how many feet that is, so that's going to be X feet. Remember, that's just your variable. Okay? And our little trick here is that we can just multiply across and divide by what's left. So 6 times 8 is 48, and 48 divided by 1 is still 48. So that's going to be 48 feet for part A. So that should be 48. Okay? Now, part B, we're going the other direction. Okay, we're going from the real thing to the scale drawing. So we're still going to use the same proportion here, and so 8 feet, and that has to equal. We know what the feet is. It's 72. We want to figure out how many inches is that. So same thing. We multiply across and divide by what's left. So 72 times 1 is 72. And then we divide by 8, and then 72 divided by 8 will give us our answer of 9. So that would be 9 inches. Okay? And that's how you would solve questions like those. You need to set up a proportion to help you with these dilations. Okay? Dilations and scale factors really go hand in hand. Okay? Once again, if you have any other question, please feel free to let me know. Please send me an email, and I will do the best that I can to find a video or make a video to help you explain it. But remember, stay up to date on your ALEKS assignments. Remember, those are prerequisites. Okay, so you've got to keep working on those. I hope you're doing well, and thank you.